Peace and blessings, soul family. I love you all. Hope everyone's doing well. I think I made one video about this like forever ago. Definitely I did one on my TikTok, but we're gonna go over the Gunas since we've been talking about Sankhya and non-dual Shaiva Tantra. So the Gunas are the modes of material nature. So it's everything that exists within the physical plane, within Prakriti, is held under the sway of the gunas. And the three gunas are Rajas, Tamas, and Sattva. Or Rajogun, Tamogun, Sattvagun. And these three different modes of expression of material nature is, I'll start with tamogun, so tamas. That is inertia, decay, death, laziness, inertia, destruction, dissolution. This would be the solve in solve et coagula from the Baphomet to the dissolve is that tamogun energy connected to within the Trimurti Shiva, the dissolver or destroyer. Then you have Rajogun. This is active energy, fiery energy, moving energy, anxious or excited, active, flowing, moving energy. So Rajas would be connected to the creative aspect of material nature, and within the Trimurti it would be Brahma, the creator. And then Sattvagun is the harmony between Tamas and Rajas. So it is perfect balance, harmony, equilibrium, bliss, peace. It's that balancing point. If you look at the tree, it would be the middle pillar. So Tamas would be pillar of severity, Rajas the pillar of mercy, and Sattva the middle path. But okay, yeah, I had let's see. I'm going here actually to Bihar School of Yoga's Sanskrit Glossary of Yogic Terms. We're going to go in here and I'm going to give you the definitions that they actually give within the book. So we're talking about the gunas. Gunas, quality, subordinate and constituent part, attribute, characteristic or property of all creation. According to Sankhya and Yoga philosophy, cosmic primordial matter, or Prakriti, like I showed you over there, is constituted of three different aspects called gunas, Sattva, Rajas, and Tamas. They are referred to as an independent reality because they can be conceived, prameya, known, jnaya, and named, abhideya, independently of a substance in which they are inherent. The three gunas, which compose Prakriti, undergo transformation from the unmanifest Avyakta and to the manifest Vyakta state, produce matter and control it, thus creating the whole cosmos with all beings, time and space uninterruptedly. They relate directly to the human character strengths, or the human character and strengths. Okay, and we'll go back here to Tamoguna, or Tamas. In Sankhya philosophy, one of the three constituent qualities, gunas, of nature, Prakriti, and all matter, inertia, stability, stillness, ignorance, darkness, the gloom or darkness of hell, mental darkness, illusion, error, in yoga is characterized by inertia, laziness, mental dullness, unwillingness to change, and electrically neutral. So that's Tamas, or Tamoguna. Then we got go. Sattva. Sattva, or Sattvam, in Sankhya, one of the three constituent qualities, Gunas, of nature, which is Prakriti, and all matter, state of luminosity, harmony, equilibrium, steadiness, and purity, being, existence, reality, true essence. In yoga, the natural quality of purity, balance, or goodness, which binds one by attachment to goodness and learning. Life, spirit, breath, principle of vitality, consciousness, mind, and the senses. And pauses. And Rajas. Rajas, or Rajoguna, one of the three constituent qualities, Gunas, of nature, which is Prakriti, and all matter, dynamism, state of activity, creativity, combined with full ego involvement, emotion, restlessness, oscillation, as a personality trait is expressed by the desire to dominate, Viraja. So that's the three gunas, which are the modes of material nature that you find in many yogic tantric philosophies, including also Sankhya, non-dual Shaiva Tantra. But yeah, that's it. I love you guys. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.